Sandra from Sandra and Family. Today we have like a special toy video for the vlog here. Oh no, we got our horses. So we have like some.
I want to ride a horse.
Yay! So we have some of our Lori doll horses. Wait, get on the roof! Get on the roof! Get on the roof! Whoa! Now that's some like super jumping powers by this horse. Giddy up! Giddy up! Giddy up!
Talent. This one
yeah,
has.
it definitely has
In
talent.
the movie Spirit, one horse can dance.
Oh, really? Yes. So little Ava has become recently obsessed with Spirit, which is great. We've been borrowing someone's Netflix. Is it eating hay? Oh, and apples and lettuce. Yeah, these horses are hungry. Oh, she's eating it too. That's cute. Those are for the horses. How about the hay? Will she eat the hay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think she should eat the hay. But anyway, so we have brand new from Display. Oh, and we lost it.
I'll get it.
Yeah, I get it for you. Thank you. Brand new Wave 2 Spirit riding free like little stables. So these come, actually I'm gonna get some scissors here. Usually we have scissors. Oh yeah, there we go. So these come with stables. This is Wave 2. I don't think anyone has filmed these before, so that's really cool. Are you opening it? There we go. So Ava's opening it.
Yeah, this
I'm going to open one.
I've never opened them.
Me neither.
I opened
See, they have, I think the first wave had like, kind of like the green and purple, but definitely not red. So this is cool. It has like a little red stable. Let's see. I like how they designed these. It's really cool. And these were given to us from Just Play, so a big thank you to them. Okay, let's open up our stable. I'm just gonna like rip it open. Okay. Oh, this might be one that you want. Oh, no way, you got the one with the lightning. Oh.
Yeah, she is in a disguise.
Oh, she's in disguise?
Yeah, because there's she in the boys.
Yeah.
Only girls can ride only boys can ride horses.
Oh.
So she goes in disguise.
So she goes disguise. Oh, because it's a girl but disguised to be a boy. That's cute.
Yeah.
And then let's see. Oh yeah, so it shows you. I don't know if anyone's rare or what. There's 8 different ones I can get. So
What did
here
you
get? Do you know the names of the horses? Some of them?
Spirit, Boomerang, and
Is it their like?
Chica Linda.
Oh yeah, Chica Linda.
And then I don't remember the rest.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so we got these
And
two.
then Darky's called Senior Carrot.
Oh yeah, Senior Carrots, which is cute. Okay, so we got these. Let's keep on opening. We're gonna open the whole case. Full case of toys today. Oh, and then also too, so we have a stable here, and I have some water. Let's see a little bit in here. There we go, and this will spray water on the horses. So we'll use that in a second, but I want to open up some more ponies first. So, oh, let me need it. No, oh yeah, you got it. Okay. Ooh, I don't know. Do you want to get Spirit? Actually, the one you got. Oh, did I get the same thing? Is this Senior or no? What is it, Linda? Senior Linda?
Chica Linda.
Oh, Chica Linda. Chica Linda. Okay, so I got the same one. It's cute though. Yeah, actually like this video if you love Spirit, and also make sure to let us know in the comments if you have seen like the Spirit shows. Oh, you got, that's hilarious. She got like the same thing I got. Okay, let's maybe like dig down. I'm gonna go on the next row. Let's see. Yeah, so you got like the in disguise horse again. That's funny. Here.
Oh, it's good they can be twins.
Yeah, they can be twins, and also you can give it, because Baby Adam I feel like is stealing your ponies, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now you can be like, this is for you.
Keep them safe.
Oh, you do? Okay.
In my room.
Oh, okay. You're like, no touching my ponies. Oh, I got a new one. Yay. Okay, so do you know this one's name? It was like kind of, it's kind of cool looking. It's got like white spots.
That one is not fully Boomerang.
It's not Boomerang?
Yeah.
Okay, not fully Boomerang. Let's see.
Boomerang is here.
Oh, with the white and brown is Boomerang. Who rides Boomerang? What girl?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, we got a lot of boxes here. Oh, what's in here?
She does.
Oh, she does.
One who has white hair.
Oh, with the blonde hair.
who likes flowers.
Yeah.
It would be
Oh, a new one. Oh my gosh, he's kind of sparkly. This is like a Clydesdale type
We
horse.
need more of them.
Oh, look, he's heavy and like really cool.
My favorite would be this one.
Oh yeah, let's see. It's kind of more of the
I
pony one.
have it. I like it.
Yeah, you want that. So now we have 4 different ponies, so that's not too bad.
Sparkly.
Yeah.
I'm
Let's see.
kidding. You can have those.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh no, I got one of the same. We have a lot of this one.
You can keep in the family.
Yeah, we'll keep in the family. Now we have 3. Huh.
We need
Okay, here we go.
more.
Okay. There is more. Let's see. I feel like we're opening these up actually like really quickly. Oh yeah, wait. Let's open them all, and then we'll make sure to like put them in the stable, and we'll give them a bath. Cause this hose, you like press the button, and it really works. So stay tuned for that. We'll do that in like a minute or 2 once we open up everybody. I'm trying to open this up really fast.
Why?
So I don't know. Oh, I got the one you wanted. Ta-da! Little pony. So who's that one?
I don't know his code, but he's a baby.
It's a baby. You got the baby.
This one.
Oh, they live together. Like, so these 2 live together. That's cute. Ava, like so what she does every night, she helps clean the whole entire house. And then you gotta watch some Spirit, and then I clean a little more.
Boomerang.
Oh, you got Boomerang. We need Spirit. I think we have everybody else. Oh, except the white one too. Yeah, so that's Spirit, isn't it?
But we need these.
Yeah, so we need 2 more. Oh no! Uh-oh, can you get that one? I dropped it again. I'm good at dropping things. So we have 3 more boxes. Hopefully we get something here. Here, come over to the table.
Hey, one.
Oh, do you want to see who I got? You gotta come over here. Come look. Look. Ah, got Spirits. So we just need 1 more to make like the whole set. There we go. Spirits. Yay! Okay, sweet. So there's that one.
But there's 2 of them.
Okay.
Which one?
So we just need. Do you know what the white horse's name is? Oh, I got Boomerang again. Cool.
What horse?
Oh yeah, with flowers.
This is
Cool.
gotta be the
Hopefully, yeah, because that's the only one we're missing. Okay. There's Boomerang. Let's see. Let's see, this is open. Okay. We'll count our horses. We should have opened up 12, maybe? I guess? I don't know. I don't even know how many we opened. Trying to get a stable out. Here we go. The red stable I like. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay.
Get this out.
Okay. Here we go.
Please,
You like
please be it.
Okay. These, we need the entire set. Or else we'll go crazy.
Only 1 more inside.
Here we go. I'll put them all on.
Yes!
Wait, serious? Did you get it? No way! No way!
Good.
Oh, we did! Yay! We got the entire set! Oh, good. Man, like this, so some of them are pretty rare. Okay. Ah, get out of the bag. Ugh. Okay, here we go. So we have all 8s. Okay, good. There we go. And then this one.
6.
Yep. Here you go. Okay, cool. So should we take our 8 special ones and we'll put it in here, and then we can give them like a little shower?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. All right, so we got all of our horses lined up to take a little shower. So how it works
Falling down.
is we have this.
Get showered.
Okay. Okay, so we have this. We just press this. Come on, work. Yeah, we got it. Spray it down. Let's get another little horsey. I'll press the button, you hold the hose. There we go. I think that's pretty good. Uh-oh, look at all that water. Okay. Here's Boomerang, get a little bath. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
She's the horse who has talent.
Oh, this one? Here, let's get a new one in.
Oh.
Get her on the grill. Here we go. Okay. Oh, Spirit! Yay, Spirit!
And that's her Spirit.
Yeah, hidden. There we go. Another one. Everybody's getting wet. Even Ava, are you getting wet? Oh yeah, there's Boomerang. Ah, Spirit again. Oh, are we watching every single one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can count how many we got too, because I kind of, oh my goodness, that sprayed everywhere. I kind of lost count for a second there. on what we had and didn't have. Okay, there we go. And it's showing us too. I think this works. Oh yeah, sweet. See, there's lights that work in the stable. Is that cool? You press this, you can turn the lights on and off, and then these doors open, which is really cool. And then these doors, they open too in the back, which is pretty cool. There's like a place right here. Oh, you're washing them more?
That's cool.
That is really cool. It's cold water. Yeah, I got it from the fridge. So it's really cold water. Oh yeah, you have the carrots. Oh yeah, let's count how many different like spirit horses we got here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. And you can play with them. Yeah, so they can dry off. You're like their hair dryer. Yeah, this is perfect. This is really good. And we can line them all up. Some of them can they fit upstairs?
And I'll like go up. This is the dry glue.
Yeah, so dry it. And then put them upstairs. There we go. And you can shake it too. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. You're going to pass out.
What?
You're going to like run out of air and pass out. There's so much water everywhere here. Shake, 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 shake. I feel like the shaking's working too. Well, still dry. Anyway, please make sure to like this video. In the comments to let us know if you like Spirit, because we do.
Yeah.
Wait, do you like Spirit?
Yeah.